Waters got high overnight in Saline County as a storm just sat there and dumped heavy rains.
Some places got more than 4 inches in just a matter of hours, overwhelming both natural and man-made drainage and putting roads underwater.
We've got team coverage for you this evening on THV 11 News at 5 as we begin in Saline County.
First responders there have already rescued several people from high waters, and THV 11's Ian Russell shows us what it looks like now.
Yeah, we're out here on South Sardis Road here in Saline County, but looking at all this water that's going across the road here, it might as well be called the South Sardis River. But all jokes aside, the Saline County Office of Emergency Management says it's roads like this that caused them to do so many water rescues last night.
In that situation, there's no break.
After heavy rain in Saline County last night,
This was over a period of 2 hours with a sustained rainfall.
crews are left trying to help those affected.
That makes things very, very difficult for everyone involved.
Water left some roads impassable. This stretch of Childress and Bauxite was better this afternoon, but if you tried this morning,
At 2 a.m., there was water for 100 yards in either direction from where we're standing right now. We would not have been able to be here.
and in other spots, flooding is still a concern. Signs are up warning people to not drive through high water, but that's still an issue.
Other areas that flood more frequently, we already have permanent signs and audible warnings in place to help keep people from making poor decisions and driving into those locations.
Even during the day, it's hard to judge how deep this stretch of Sardis Road is. Unfortunately, that doesn't stop everybody.
We've also had a lot of people that have driven around barricades or driven into open water thinking they could get through it, and that actually was the majority of our rescues that occurred last night. We had around 15 rescues that had to occur as a result of people driving into moving water.
Fortunately, no one was hurt doing that, and no one was hurt in flooded homes. And while the waters have calmed down for today,
Absolutely, it's probably my number one concern at this point.
they're already getting ready for tomorrow.
Within that next 36-hour window. We are looking at more rain coming in this afternoon, going into tomorrow, and we just don't know to what extent or what depth we're going to be expecting there, but we're always preparing for the worst and trying to inform our citizens.
Now, we talk about it so much, but turn around, don't drive is such an important thing here, and especially with how much water is across just this road here. Now, earlier, Gio told me that roughly 3/4 of the people that they rescued last night were from water rescues after they drove across roads like this. So again, stay safe, turn around, don't drown. Reporting live in Saline County, I'm Ian Russell, THV 11 News.